Hello everyone, this is Kimmy Kim and welcome to my channel. Today I have an exciting share for you. This is from my friend Corrina and we did a swap and I'm just so excited to open this. I started to take a peek and I thought, well, I'm just going to turn the camera on and share it with y'all. So I'm going to start with this. Isn't this darling? I just totally want to get my hands on that. I'm going to start with what's in the bag. Oh my gosh, she's got so many beautiful things. Oh my gosh. You know, I've seen her on Instagram, and I will put her, I can't seem to get this open. I will put her on Instagram, or not I will put her on Instagram. She is on Instagram, and I will link it down below. She makes the most beautiful things. I just love the grunge look. Isn't that just so cool? I love that. I think she made this out of a bag. She sure did. She made that out of a bag. So she folded it in half. I'm going to bring the camera down a little bit. There's that card with some really cool stamps. I'm going to bring it down just a bit so y'all can see. I love that idea. And I have so many bags that I don't know what to do with. This is perfect. Thank you so much, Corrina. And this here, I have a little bit of a cold, so you'll have to excuse the sniffles if I have a little sniffle going on. And this is just a little extra something beautiful. That metal butterfly. See how pretty that is? On a card. I'm going to set it over here. We'll do the packaging later. And I have commented and talked to her for such a long time about her tags and how much I love them. And look, she made me some tags. They're so cool. Look at that. Little pieces of scraps there with buttons and some texture. I just love it. And I love that she used jute, like twine, as the instead of a ribbon on top. I love that look. And I love that stencil too. So she made me all these tags. Thank you, Corrina. Oh my gosh, if y'all just knew, I have been bugging her for so long. I was like, can I buy these? Can I buy these? She's like, no, let's just, so we just decided we're going to do a swap. They're just beautiful. Let me get these. Oh, I was going to do the packaging later. That's right. And these tags here. I just love, I don't know about y'all, but I love lately making tags. These are so nice. Oh, look at the wax seal. And then she's got, so basically it's two tags, and then she's got a card on the inside. Loving that. Love that. I could so mass make something like this. This is so much fun. And the tickets. You know, I need to bring out my wax seals more often. I have all these wax seals. Oh, look at how pretty that stamp is. All these wax seals, and I never use them. Thank you, Corrina. These are gorgeous. I love them. I just love them. And this, this just caught my eye. I just love the window. Let's just get in here. She's got this really stuck. I mean, it's really stuck, y'all. Holy moly. Okay. And this is a bag. Again, she's used the jute. Oh, I love that. Let's see what's in there. Oh, it's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. She embossed it and then inked over it. What a cool idea. And this, I think, is, oh, I can't think of the name of it right now. But I love it. Tulle. It's tulle. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Oh my gosh, she's got it placed in here so nice. She's got another one. I just love it. I wonder, you know what? I think I have that. Oh my gosh. That embossing folder. I love this little idea. Can't tell you how many of these I have that I don't know what to do with. So inspiring. And she does these little clips on her Instagram showing you, you know, not really the process, but kind of like the materials that you need. It's so pretty. I have a hard time getting my stitches all like that. And then here's the bag. How cool is that? And I think these are stamps, y'all. I'm pretty sure. And that too. At least it appears to be, because it's shinier on here on the bag. And her little tab. Love it. What a great idea for a stuffed pocket. And now I got my eye on this. I was really surprised to see that she sent me something like this, because I really thought we were just swapping little bits. And she surprised me. If I can get it open. Well, y'all, it's been a while since I've recorded, so, you know, got to learn all over again here. Okay. That is so pretty. And I know she shares that this closure is inspired by Sue at Paper Inspirations. I love that. I'm going to have to put her name on it or something. Not that I'll forget, but let's see. She's got like a string on here and a lace. Both. And see, it just goes like that. I'm going to just slip it off that way. I guess I could have not done that and just slid it off. My bad. This is what I have a real hard time doing. I'm going to have to get better at it. I just can't seem to get it right on my sewing machine. This is so nice. Oh, I'm going to have to ask her what digitals these are. Oh my gosh, it's just full of goodies. Look at this. Oh, wow. So here's the journal. I love it. Little pocket with some tags in here, little cards. Oh, so that's a cardstock, not a digital. Well, I love it. And the stamping. Just love it. Look at that. The birds. That is so cool. So cool. Another little pocket. Oh, wow. And we have, I believe this is called a waterfall. I have not made a waterfall yet. But, you know, could try it. Love that. And then here's a, let me see if I can move it over so y'all can see. This looks like a little, oh it is, it's an envelope, okay. And it has all kinds of goodies. Look at it all. Steampunk. I was gonna say it's very steampunk-ish. And then there's a little pocket there. And another tag. I love how she did these little tags with the little gears, the buttons. Thank you, Corrina. And this, oh my gosh, this is another pocket. So this is another envelope with some really cool tags. Oh, I love that. I love those colors. Some velvet. That's something I don't see very often on journals, is velvet. Oh, and it, okay, so that's a tab. I'm like wondering, does it come out? Does it not come out? Okay. So cool. And this flips as well. As you can tell, I have not opened it yet, so I don't even know what treasures are inside here. I love what she did with this paper. It's a pattern paper, I believe. And more steampunk goodies. Oh, I love it. I just love it. And I don't have anything steampunk, so this is perfect. Oh, there's another pocket. Well, she's just got all kinds of pockets here going on. Oh, and then there's a journal. Oh, I love it. With all kinds of tea-dyed, tea-stained. Oh, I love the crinkle. I love the crinkle. And this paper has like a texture to it. It's very nice. Thank you, Corrina. Oh, I love it so much. And before I leave today, I wanted to show y'all a quick preview. I'm going to set this aside so it doesn't get bad, because I have a coffee over here. I wanted to show y'all a quick view. I would make a separate video, but it's only two, and it's 2 pieces of fabric that was pre-ordered for Kathy Holden. It was the only 2 I could find to pre-order. Excuse the crinkle. And aren't they beautiful? Beautiful. I love the butterflies. That is going to be so much fun. And then this one, and I believe it's from her junk journal collection. Let's see, this is the Etsy shop that I got it from. I hope to get the fat quarter of all of the Kathy Holden. That's my goal. That's what I would like to get. I didn't pre-order it, so I don't know how that's going to go, because they're going to go quick. So thank y'all for watching. It's so good to be back, and look forward to the next video. Take care of each other and be kind.